Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking 3 target keywords for this page. This guides content and URL choice. Once chosen, build a clean HTML skeleton using semantic tags so search engines understand structure. Make sure to add a concise title, a meta description that sells the click, and a canonical link to avoid duplicate content. Also set the viewport for mobile-first rendering. Mobile matters for rankings. Start with content scaffolding now, so every following step has a solid foundation. Now you craft the page. Place the main keyword in the H1 within the first 150 words and in at least one subheading so relevant signals are clear. Make URLs short and readable. Internal linking should point to 3-5 pillar pages to distribute authority. Add descriptive alt text for images and use responsive images to save bandwidth. Implement JSON-LD structured data for articles or products to improve rich result chances. Once done, compress and minify assets to keep load times fast. You finish by deploying over HTTPS, uploading sitemap, XML, and confirming robots. TXT allows crawling. Next, run Lighthouse and page speed tests, monitor core web vitals, and connect analytics and Search Console so you can track impressions and errors. Make sure canonical and hreflang tags are correct if you have variants. If indexing fails, check robots. TXT, meta-noindex, canonical conflicts, server 4xx/5xx errors, and crawl budget limits. Use live.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.